All right, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 23rd of November, 2022. Let's run into this DraftKings price news real quick. You guys can see I got a price prediction already on the chart in DraftKings, and the market did not go higher. It didn't. You guys can see for yourself. I did a price prediction on October the 5th, and the market in DraftKings, instead of going up, went down instead. So that outlook did not pan out, and it happens. So if we were to get out the market action from the close of yesterday in DraftKings, we would be down 13%. Now on the low from our price prediction, you guys can see the loss went as low as 35%. So yes, this is why it's so important for you to know when to get into play and when to get out. Don't get married to these plays, because these plays will inevitably at times go against you. So let's cut this out though, and let's talk about why the market in DraftKings really hasn't been dropping in price. I need to zoom out because I want to create this area to which the price action in DraftKings has been trading. And you guys can see right around here is where this market support is coming in DraftKings. So let's just keep it real. This is where the buyers are currently coming into the market in DraftKings. Right there around $11, $10.85. Okay. That's our basis of support. Meaning that as long as DraftKings continue to hold this level, we are at least going to see price consolidate and increase the chances of us seeing price go up. Now, I'm not saying it's going to hit $28, so let me just keep it real. But the prospect of us seeing price lift is increasing the longer that we see the market in DraftKings hold $10.86 or so. Now, we got a couple of areas that we need to see here that will impact the progressional upward move in DraftKings, right? So we already can tell that $16 is one area of resistance. That second area is going to push us up here towards like $17.50 to 18. And then that third one's going to be up there around 20. Those are the three areas that I'm seeing the market getting hit with selling, trying to push the price back down, or at least people trying to come in and taking the profit, right? Let's look at DraftKings on a 2-day chart. So here it is right here. Am I massively bearish in DraftKings? No, I'm not. If anything, I'm looking for the price to maintain this trading action within these two lines that I've created. But I wanted you all to see this though. Okay. Look at this. Even within these two horizontal lines, the market in DraftKings is trending down, right? So in order for us to really get confirmation that price action in DraftKings is going to consolidate, we need to see price do this. So let me show you. We need to see the market break this downtrend line to the upside, because that would definitely confirm that this consolidational trading range is still intact. So we're going through that process right now. So let's see this on a 3-day chart for DraftKings to see if that's a probable outlook. Is it probable for us to see the market in DraftKings break this downtrend line? What do you think? Is it 50-50? Is it 70-30? Is it 25-75? What is it? What do you think the chances of us seeing the price in DraftKings break this downtrend line to the upside? Because this is the last 3-day price bar right here. And this is what I term a probable precursor of strength, meaning that on this next upcoming 3-day price bars, the market in DraftKings will have to close higher than its previous one. It will have to. If that happens, then guess what? Yes, the market is bullish. The market is anticipated to at least trade within these two horizontal lines. Here's DraftKings on the 5-day chart. So look at the last completed 5 days, right? Here it is right here. Okay. That's an indication that buyers are coming in down here around $10.85. Now we see the market. Take a look at this. The market was able to bounce off of $14. Previously, you guys can see right here on these two 5-day price bars, it couldn't do it. So are we looking for price in DraftKings to continue to trend higher? $16 is resistance already. You guys can see that we did get rejected right there around 16. So that's the impact zone right there around $16 is where the market is getting rejected in DraftKings. So what I'm going to do, seeing how price is not necessarily trending down, it's not massively bearish. We've been holding support here ever since May. I'm going to look for price in DraftKings to trend back up, just like my last price prediction. But I pointed out some tricks, some curves in the road that's going to impact that movement though. And namely, it's this downtrend line. I really want to see the market in DraftKings break this downtrend line to the upside for me to really get more confident in the probabilities of the market moving higher. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. I'm going to look for a price target of around $16 first in DraftKings. So that's going to be the first price target. You guys can see that's 8 3/4% move right there. It may extend all the way to the beginning of the year. And as long as the market action in DraftKings come in and holds, I would say $11.25, we're going to look for the market to trend higher. Okay. Now, first price target 16. And then my second one is going to be around 18. And I think I'm going to leave it there. Well, that's $17.45. Around $17.50, $18, something around there. That's 18.42%. Now, let's say that the overall market is massively bullish going to the end of the year, next month of December. Then yeah, we can possibly see the market in DraftKings run up to like 19. That's around 29%. But let me be a little bit more realistic. So I'm gonna leave it right there. Okay. So this is it. I'm going to keep this downtrend line here because I want us to focus on whether or not the market's going to break that downtrend. If it is, then I definitely feel a little bit more confident we're going to run up here to the upper end of this price prediction, which is before you. All right. So that is it. Give me your thoughts. Hit the like button. And also subscribe here to the channel for DraftKings and let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.